So now in this question they said determine the value of resistor R in the circuit shown with the supply current of how much ampere? 10.8 ampere. Okay, no, sorry, 0.8 ampere. So this is basically a current that is given 0.8 ampere, and this is the resistance R which we need to calculate it, right? So see what will happen. Like, it's not every time necessary that whenever they'll ask you the resistance you have to use star delta. No, you can directly apply mesh analysis also. If they'll ask you the R equivalent or R total or R A and B, then in that case we can use star and delta. But अगर बीच में दिया हुआ है, बीच में resistor दिया हुआ है and that we need to calculate that resistor, then in that case we can't use star and delta. Okay, understood this point? So now we can do this question by using mesh analysis. This is I1, this is I2, and this is I3. So we can have I1, we can have the mesh equation normal. So first mesh equation is minus 4 I1 minus I2 minus 4 I1 minus I3 plus 4.8 is equals to 0. Yes or no? Now the second mesh equation is minus 4 I2 minus R we don't know, let's take it R only, R I2 minus 4 I2 minus I3 and minus 4 I2 minus I1 is equals to 0. This is the second equation. Okay. Next third equation is minus 4 I3 minus I1, then minus 4 I3 minus I2 and minus 12 I3 is equals to 0. This is the third equation. So now we'll have the value for I1. Both the directions is also same. So we can say that I1 is equals to 0.8 ampere. Yes or no? So wherever the I1 value we have, we can put it as 0.8. Then we'll have three variable and three equations. One of the variable is I2, another variable is I3, and another variable is R. Three variable, three equation, we can solve it. Correct? Let's move towards the another topic. What is another topic? That is theorem. As I told you कि इसमें से ये question आएगा. From these four topics, one question or two questions will cover, and from these three theorems, one of the question will definitely cover 100%. So let's study about the theorem first. In this we'll have the Thevenin theorem. Okay, Thevenin is a scientist name, and on the basis of his name he gave this theorem. I'll tell you the following steps. Step number 1, that is find out the value of load resistance. In whichever branch we need to calculate the current, that is load resistance. Okay, like suppose this is a question, I'm taking the basic example, 10 volt, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, 6 ohm, 8 ohm, and RL is equals to 8 ohm. Okay, basically if they want to ask us to calculate current in 8 ohm या फिर 4 ohm ले लेते हैं, they are asking to calculate current in 4 ohm. So in that case RL must be equals to 4 ohm, right? After that we'll have the step number 2, that is open circuit RL. Whatever will have RL, open circuit it. Okay, open circuit it like this. Means we need to completely remove that RL. Always mark A and B terminal over there. Again 10 volt, 2 ohm, 6 ohm, 8 ohm. Any doubt up to these two steps? First step, we have to get the RL. Second step, we need to open circuit RL. Now step number 3, that we need to calculate Thevenin voltage. Thevenin voltage is denoted by VTH and that is equals to VAB. So we can say VAB is how much? Like just imagine, as you can see that there is no direct connection between A and B. So you are standing at A, you need to move towards B, right? So VAB we can say it like this, CD कि A पे खड़े हो कहाँ जाना है B पे, then you will move from A to C, VAC, then VCD, then VDB. Okay, VAC is how much? I into R. Like अगर तुम ऐसे जा रहे हो तो करंट भी ऐसे जाएगा. Let us consider I current is flowing. So let's mark the sign according to this. So A to C second sign minus 2I, C to D second sign minus 10, and D to B nothing is there, so 0. Right? So VAB we can say it that VAB is equals to minus 2I minus 10 plus 0. But we'll have now two variable. One of the variable is VAB and one of the variable is I. So for two variable we have to make two equation. Another equation always would be from the mesh analysis. So how many meshes do we have in this circuit? 1 or 2? Tell me. How many meshes do we have? 1, because this wall is break na. ये 4 ohm तो चला गया. Now it's a single room, right? Single room means single mesh. So we can make one mesh equation, minus 2I minus 10 minus 8I minus 6I is equals to 0. So from here can we get the value for I? Like it would be minus 10I minus 16, तो नहीं, minus 2I minus 8I 10I, तो minus 16I is equals to 10. So I would be equals to 10y 16 and that too in the minus sign, है ना? I की value क्या आई? Minus 10 by 16. So I'm putting it over here, minus as it is, 2 as it is. I value we got it as minus 10 by 16 minus 10 as it is. So after solving this we'll get the value for VAB. Now tell me, any doubt up to here? Now after that what we need to do, step number 4. In step number 4 we need to calculate Thevenin resistance, and in Thevenin resistance what we need to do, voltage source must be short circuit. Okay, voltage source is just like a battery, and if there is a current source then that must be open circuit. That you need to remember. Now let's take the same diagram. In this we'll have the only one voltage source. So 10 volt is the voltage source, right? तो इसको हम क्या कर दें? Short circuit कर दें? So what will be the diagram? How the diagram looks like? This is voltage source, resistor as it is, A as it is, 6 ohm as it is, 8 ohm, B, 6 ohm, 8 ohm and 2 ohm. Voltage source is short circuited. Now just imagine you are standing at A, you need to move towards B. Which resistance are in series and which resistances are in parallel? Tell me. Like A से चलो यहाँ पे गए तो ये दोनों का एक ही रास्ते पे आ रहा है. Like the current is same, so that means that it is in series. So 6 plus 8 is how much? Tell me. 14. This is 14 and this is 2. So now see both of them are connected in series or in parallel? Parallel, because both are at the different position. So we can say that RTH must be equals to 2 parallel 14. That would be 2 into 14 divided by 2 plus 14, right? Now after that we need to calculate current according to Ohm's law. I is equals to V by R. So what we have calculated till now, we have calculated VTH, we have calculated RTH, and we have calculated RL. राइट मतलब कैलकुलेट नहीं, सॉरी, RL तो हमने वो जो निकाला था वही वापस लगा देंगे. सो वी नीड टू कैलकुलेट करंट अक्रॉस RL. सो I इज इक्वल्स टू VTH divided by RTH plus RL. VTH you calculated, RTH you calculated, RL is given. You just need to substitute the values. Next is maximum power transfer theorem. Okay, so if you know about the Thevenin theorem, then we will be able to get the maximum power transfer also. You don't need to learn the different concept, you just need to learn the different formula. Whenever there is a question of maximum power, then in that case they'll ask you the maximum power. And what is the formula for maximum power? That is V square TH divided by 4RL. And there is one condition for the maximum power, that is RL is equals to RTH. लोड रेजिस्टेंस थेवेनिन रेजिस्टेंस के इक्वल होगा और मैक्सिमम पावर का फॉर्मूला क्या होगा? VTH बाय RL. तो इसमें भी अल्टीमेटली व्हाट यू नीड टू गेट VTH सेम जैसे हमने थेवेनिन में निकाली थी, and you need to get RTH because RTH is equals to RL. Same procedure है. In the Thevenin also we need to calculate VTH and RTH, but in last we need to calculate put it in the values of current, that is I is equals to VTH divided by RTH plus RL. And in case of maximum power also you need to calculate VTH and RTH, and you need to put it over there. Okay, so let's see this question. They are asking calculate the value of load resistor. Load resistor means that must be equals to RTH, right? That should be connected across the open terminal. मतलब इन दोनों points के across से we need to calculate RTH to achieve maximum power and also determine the maximum power. We need to calculate maximum power, so for that we need to calculate VTH as well. तो हम जैसे maximum power का क्वेश्चन आएगा हम वही steps follow करेंगे. First calculate VTH, then calculate RTH. ठीक है? Now see for VTH, as you can see it's a simplification question. Can we convert this current source into the voltage source? Then your diagram would be simplified form. Direct भी कर सकते हो, but it would be better to convert it. Okay? Tell me यहाँ पे voltage की क्या वैल्यू आएगी बताओ. टेन. एंड आई हैव टेकन द साइन लाइक दिस कि इसमें करंट नीचे जा रहा है तो हमारा भी करंट नीचे ही जाएगा. दिस इज 10 ओम, 10 वोल्ट, 12.5 ओम, 30 वोल्ट, A and B. You need to calculate VTH. VTH means VAB. तुम कहाँ पे खड़े हो? A पे, जाना कहाँ पे है? B पे. So let's mark this one point SC. बैटरी और रेजिस्टेंस के बीच में भी हमेशा मार्क कर लेना DE. So can we say that VAB would be equals to VAC plus VCD plus VDE plus VEB, right? ये 2024 का क्वेश्चन है. तो VAC is how much? 0. VCD is how much? Like इसमें मार्क कर लेते हैं करंट I1 I2. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू कि अगर तुम C से D जा रहे हो तो करंट भी कैसे जाएगा? C से D ही जाएगा. सो दैट वुड बी माइनस 12.5 I2 एंड VDE is minus 30. That is equals to VAB. So how many variables now we have? VAB, I2 and I1. So for that we need have 3 equation. तो एक इक्वेशन तो VAB आ गई. नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन आई टोल्ड यू कि कहाँ से आएगी? बताओ. बाकी 2 इक्वेशन कहाँ से आएगी? By using mesh analysis. So it would be minus 10 I1 minus I2 plus 10 minus 10 minus 10 I1 is equals to 0. second equation minus 12.5 I2 minus 30 minus 10 minus 10 I2 minus I1 is equals to 0. हो जाएगा solve. After that we need to calculate RTH. For RTH, voltage source must be short circuit, right? So the diagram looks like this. All the three resistors are in parallel, so we can get the value for RTH, and then we'll get max per TH divided by 4 RL. You can substitute the value, then you will get the answer. एक ही थ्योरम से देखो तुम्हारी दो थ्योरम्स कवर हो रही है ना? All the resistances are your friends. तो जिसका घर एक ही रास्ते पे आ रहा है वो सीरीज में है, जिसका घर अलग अलग रास्ते पे आ रहा है वो पैरेलल में है. Start from A, go to B. See, in this case they two are connected in series, so it will be 15 15 15 15. Now as you can see that this 15, this 15 and this 15, they all are connected in delta, so we can convert it into star. So I told you कि point same रखना, like this is connected to suppose A, this is connected to suppose C, and this is connected to suppose D. ठीक है, तो A C D, so point should be same. A star must also be connected between A, C and D, right? So delta to star means how will we do? 15 into 15 divided by 15 plus 15 plus 15, correct? So it will be like, diagram is like this. अगर मैं इसको redraw करूँ तो, and similarly this is A point, this one is 20 ohm, this is B point, इसको भी ऐसे ही हो जाएगा, right? एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे कनेक्ट, एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे कनेक्ट, एंड एक पॉइंट यहाँ पे कनेक्ट. तो दिस वन इज कनेक्टेड लाइक दिस. तो नाउ एज यू कैन सी कि ये वाला ये वाला ये वाला ऑल थ्री आर इन सीरीज. यस और नो? नाउ दीज टू आर इन सीरीज, लाइक ये देखो यहाँ पे, राइट? फिर इनको कंबाइन करके इट विल बिकम अ पैरेलल. ये वाला और ये वाला पैरेलल के बाद एक सिंगल रेजिस्टेंस आ जाएगा. नाउ ऑल आर इन सीरीज. ओके, this is your homework question. In this, RL is equals to 10 ohm and you need to calculate the current across A and B. Okay.